Hey, what is up guys? It's Kerry, your instructor here, and welcome to C Programming Success Essentials. I am super excited that you are here, and I hope you are excited as well. So C programming has been around for a long time, and it is often considered as a lower level language because it tends to bring your application closer to the computer hardware, requiring you to carefully and manually manage the system's resource. And this is why a lot of C software application written in C, they tend to have the best performance when comparing to other programming languages. Okay, this is what makes C language unique because no other programming languages have such capabilities and granularity. Okay, for that reason, C language is often the most desirable language of choice when you are working with embedded systems, firmware development, drivers, operating systems, or even database software. All right. And in your career path, it is likely that you may come across some of these development categories. And this is what makes C language very important because it is literally everywhere. Okay. So a little about myself. I have been working with C language in the past 10 years, building and designing and managing different software solutions written in C in the fields of smart metering, security, database, and communication. Okay, and during my career, I've also made some expensive mistakes that cost a lot of money to recover. And for that reason, I want to take this opportunity to show you the fundamental of C programming and such that the same mistakes that you don't make in your career path. Okay? So instead of just showing you how certain things work in C programming, I will show you from my real industrial experience what to do and what not to do in order to avoid those deadly mistakes and also for you to become a better programmer. Okay? I believe the best way to learn C programming language is to actually code it out with a guidance, which is me. And so for that reason, for this course, most of the time we'll be working in building and writing C codes together on my code editor. Okay? And of course, there will be some other PowerPoint presentations to show you some concepts and some fundamental information. Okay? So if you are a beginner or someone who knows a little bit about C programming and would like to further strengthen your skill set, this course will be for you because it will actually help you jumpstart in your tech career. Okay? So please enroll today and I will see you inside.